Joshua Powell here at Sam Boswell Honda, and this is the 2019 Honda CR-V EXL. This vehicle does come equipped with LED daytime running lights. You'll have fog lights. You'll get to enjoy keyless entry as well as remote start. You'll have the memory settings for the 12-way power seat, which includes lumbar support. This vehicle features the Honda Sensing Suite. Those features include the collision mitigation braking system, road departure mitigation. You'll also have the adaptive cruise control and the lane keep assist system. On the opposite side of the steering wheel, you will have the controls to be able to answer your phone calls, use voice commands, and cycle through your media sources. This vehicle also features Apple CarPlay and Android Auto for your smartphone connection. You'll be able to Bluetooth your music into the car and take advantage of the variety of sources of audio input on the vehicle. You'll have dual climate control, heated front seats, an econ mode for fuel efficient driving, electronic parking brake, and a brake hold feature. USB ports and power ports here in the center console, in addition to having the power port here. You'll have the sunroof, tilt and full open, place to store your sunglasses with a built-in mirror. You'll also have the HomeLink built-in garage door opener buttons. You'll see you'll have the all-weather floor mat here in the back, as well as additional USB ports. Vehicle features a capless fuel filler. You'll have a power tailgate, a built-in camera with 3 different selectable views, your all-weather cargo tray, a privacy cover, and under here you'll have the spare tire and tool set. You'll also have the convenient handles, which will drop the middle row seat. A push button close. This is the 2019 Honda CR-V EXL here at Sam Boswell Honda. My name is Josh Powell. Please give me a call at 334-417-0406.